I was referring actually itong sa master plan po ng Metro Manila po yan.
Oo.
Metro Manila Flood Control Program that was formulated in 2012 under the World Bank Assisted Project. But this is for Metro Manila lang po ito.
Opo. At ayon po
In
kay
other river basin.
ayon po kay Senator Nancy Binay, nag-iiba po yung plano para sa flood control projects tuwing nagpapalit daw ng administrasyon. Nakikita nyo rin po ba na problema po ito? Or sinunod pa rin natin yung 2012?
Well, under this administration of the president, it's actually we are continuing po yung we are continuing with the present master plan po. Hindi naman namin binago eh. Wala naman binago. Except that there are directions from the president na kailangan it has to be done comprehensively. At saka lahat ng mga components sana.
Opo.
Kasi if we are only undertaking the engineering solutions, hindi natin ina-address yung environmental at social components, it's not going to be holistically implemented. Yun ang sinasabi ni Presidente. Sa ngayon, sa ngayon.
Opo. Pero doon po sa nakita nyong master plan po na ito na inaprobahan noong 2012, sabi nyo nga po, sinusunod pa rin, walang binago. Pero sa nakita nyo po, may kailangan bang adjustment na gawin? May kailangan baguhin dahil sa nagbabago rin ang sitwasyon natin?
I think because of the climate change that we are experiencing right now, the President also said, siguro tingnan din natin. But at this point in time, it may take some time actually to adjust again yung mga master plan. Yung mga ganon ba, because of the climate change. But in the meantime, whatever is doable under the master plan, ginagawa po namin as far as engineering intervention is concerned po.
At bukod po dyan, ano pa po ang nakikita niyong problema sa flood control projects, Secretary Bonoan? At kasama rin po ba dito ang pondo?
Ang nakikita po namin, are we referring po to Metro Manila? From Metro Manila po, I think it has to be done comprehensively. Sa Metro Manila, I think the engineering interventions that we have continued to implement have actually worked doon sa pag-mitigate ng flooding, at least in Metro Manila. Kasi dito naman nakita pa natin dito sa Carina na hindi naman umapaw yung tubig na from Pasig or Marikina to the low-lying areas in Metro Manila po. Hindi naman umapaw yung tubig pa. It was efficiently conveyed to yung sa Manila Bay, yung flood waters. Now, ang problema kasi sa Metro Manila is actually yung internal floods. Yung mga runoff, ang tinatawag natin, that stayed for a while. Actually because nahirapan ho i-pump out dito sa mga pumping stations because of many factors like may garbage issues, may antiquated drainage mains, yung mga ganun to.